Every problem has a solution. There isn't a problem that has no solution. A gona bothata bo eleng hore a bona solution. What we need to ask ourselves is that the problem that we are experiencing, who does it benefit? As long as there's people who benefit from what we call a problem, it won't have a solution. It will drag as long as possible. Did you see the allegations that the KZN Commissioner, Lieutenant General Mukwanazi, has exposed on his reports? Did you see that? Now they are trying to criticize him. Now there's this conceited effort to conceal and to suppress him. And that on its own is telling us a lot about the ruling party. It's telling us a lot about the political corruption, the influence of the political corruption in the government agencies. We are talking drug syndicates cahooting with government agencies. It just tampers with law enforcement and governance in general. So do you see the rot, how bad it is? There's a drug syndicate that is potentially running South Africa, basically. Because we don't know how far is this thing going. Every problem has a solution. In the whole world, there's no problem as non-solution. It's just that if the solution is implemented, who is it going to cost? And as long as there's people who benefit from the problem, we won't have solutions. It will seem like we don't have solutions. The drug addiction issue that we are facing in our communities and societies, the drug supply that is just keeps on flowing in our communities and in our country, it's not by accident, it's not by coincidence, it's by design, it's by intention, it's by choice, because there's people who are supposed to be protecting this nation who are selling the people out. There's people who are abusing their political roles, their political power, and their positions in government. There isn't a problem as non-solution, Molofating. Every problem that is there, it will always depend on who benefiting from you. If it means the general public will benefit from the solution, then there won't be a solution. Because there's always a few that needs to exploit the situation and the problems that they can benefit at the expense of society, at the expense of the lives of people, feed the addiction, make millions and billions, and live a life that is fancy, that is flamboyant. Government officials and politicians are involved in this, allegedly.